Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to go through and show you basically how I use Updraft Plus. There was a discussion about it on last Thursday's live, and I got asked to do a video on it, so I'm going to do one. Okay, so this is a site I'm just going to build out. It's one I bought for the pest control area in Florida. So as you can see, I'll just do a refresh just so you know. It's got nothing on. It's purely like the hello world. I've just installed WordPress on it. There's absolutely no plugins in or anything like that. So Updraft Plus, what I'm going to use. You need the migrator option, but that's the only option what you need. You don't need any of the other extended parts of it. Basically, it's £23.40. The first year it's £38.40. Not sure what that is in dollars, probably $45, $50, something like that for the year, but that's unlimited website. I have this on every website that I have, which is quite a few. And it's on all my clients' websites and everything like that. And I have it just backing up constantly to Amazon S3. And like I said, I've got it on all of my websites, all my clients' websites, and I keep around about 6 backup copies of each of like the sites, and it costs us round about the expensive sum of about £3 to £5 a month for all of that. That's for the storage space. And like I say, this is like sort of £23 for the year, which is, I just find it so simple to use. There's no hassle with it. I don't have to change anything when I go on a different host or anything like that. It's just a breeze. So the first thing I'm going to do is install it. So do add new. Now when you buy it, you download the migrator one with it. So you upload the plugin. I do choose files. I'm going to WordPress and Updraft Plus and update it. Install it. I might have to pause the video here because I'll need to put all my gubbins in. Let me find it. There we go. Okay, so now we activate it. Proceed to start. So you need to install your premium extensions. So basically all you do there is gmail.com. Stick that in. I don't do that, and then you just do connect. Okay, then you do activate on the site. Okay, so now that's activated, and now I need to update the plugin. I never bothered downloading the latest version. I just use the one which I downloaded ages ago. I think I download them every now and again just to get them up. But okay, so that's now installed. So now I have to go back to it because now I have to set it up for my Amazon. So you just go into settings. I'll leave it on manual for now. Hit Amazon S3. Now I need to put my access key in, which is fine. You can see that, I'm not bothered. So that's my access key, and then my secret key gets blurred out anyway, I think. It does. And then I need the location. So I've got all of my base sites are in different locations. And I'm just looking for the one. It's this one, I think. This is the one I'm going to use, which is the latest one I did, which was on this Leoman site. If I open it. But I noticed something after I'd saved it that I actually missed off the video at the bottom. So I'm going to add that one on. which is what I do with my evergreen sites. I'll spot something what I like and I'll tweak them and then just resave them again. So every time the development as they go. So this is the site, just what I used. I'll just tighten it up a little bit and put the video at the bottom and change the map around a bit. So we go back to here. So that should be that one, I think. So obviously I need to save my changes. That's save. Go to backup restore. Do rescan. Do OK. No. So October 11th is the last time when I did it. So that's probably about right. So all you do is you do restore. Tick, 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 tick. Next. Now it's going to search and replace everything in the database. One thing to remember, I'll go back to here and go in. Make sure that you've got your settings general set to the HTTPS before you do this, because otherwise it will replace everything with the HTTP and not the HTTPS. So, because that's what you want. You want to do, say that was a backup of that site up there, which is the HTTPS Lealman, and it's going to find everything to do with the HTTPS Lealman and change it to Pinellas County. So you do restore. So it whips through them. Obviously, it depends on how many like sort of images you have and all sorts of things like that, how long it takes. I keep all my images and everything like that to a minimum. And I keep them to the right sizes. And obviously, I only have a few plugins in. I don't have, like some people, like 60 odd plugins. You'll see when I do it. So it's done. So return to Updraft Plus configuration. You've now got a login. So this is like the login from the site what you saved, which got to spell my own name. Which obviously all of my backup sites all have the same login. That saves me having to remember. And I'll delete all the old directories. Go away. So that's done. Get rid of all the crap. So that's now backed up. So now I've got some updates to do. So I've got 6 updates. So let's update them. So that's now updated. I'm going to have to update the themes, and that'll be the other 2. So that's Updraft Plus. The next thing I would do is actually, which I'm going to do, is edit it and make the changes and get it right to how I want it for this site. And I'll just quickly show you some of the things I do, just so you know how quick it can be. It's a lot quicker when your computer doesn't run like a dog. Okay, so go back to there. Update generate press. Okay, so everything's now up to date. So now, if I go into the magic page, I'm going to edit. All I need to do now is change everything to match what I want. If you notice, I don't have any locations installed when I do a backup, and I don't have the MPP plugin hidden. Okay, so all I'll do is I'll come in here. I know that's fine. That's got the right URL in. So I scroll down. That's got my YouTube channel in. That's got the right map URL in, because that'll work out itself. No, it doesn't. That's got the wrong one in. I have to check that. That's got the right thing in. That's all correct. Right. This needs changing around because Kenneth City is where I'm going to put this. So the Leoman was the last one. So if I do that, I'll just like Kenneth City first. And if I just put out here, out, and in there. That's that done. That'll do for the image URL. That'll do. Right, I now need my address putting in. So let's have a look. Edit, 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 edit. So what is my address for? Oh, where's me? Two ticks while I find my address. Oh, same zip code. So that's done. That's got that right changed. Now see how that's wrong. So if I just edit that one, edit that one. Yeah, check that. Because it doesn't find them when they're on the email addresses, so just change that. That'll do. Right, so these are my video things. So where's my video at? So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so on video keywords, where's my video thing? All that. All that. Save that. And I want the transcript. No, that goes down to there. It is 43 seconds, and it was yesterday. The video URL. That goes in there, that goes in there, that goes in there, that goes in there. That wants to be city, and then I want the title. That goes in there. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. The phone number's fine. Obviously, if I want to change the phone number, I could. That's fine. All my meta keywords are fine. That's all fine. So update that as it is. Now I need to add the video in. So, because I missed that off before when I did it. So I want this in on the home page and the other page. So scroll all the way down. That's there. Just add a section. Put the text in. Jump over here. Oh, like that. Over here. Edit that. Write the text. Control C. Text mode. Stick that in. So that's that done. Now if we go into pages, all pages, home page. That's done. Now I can just copy that. Scroll down. So that's my video done. So that now is that setup. Okay. That is my site setup. So what I would do now that that's set up, let's go back. I know I've updated everything and I've put everything how I want it, because I'll normally have notes and stuff like that, what I want to add. And once all them are done, I basically go back to settings, go back to Updraft Plus, and now I will just do backup. So now that's just backed it all the way up, and then when I come back again to actually utilize it again, it's just ready. All the plugins are up to date, everything's up to date, so it's fine. It takes a bit longer to back up than what it does, plus I've got shite internet. There we go. So that's now backed up and done. So obviously all I would need to do now is go into my magic page, go into my settings and set up the actual, in fact I'll pause the video because I know this will show up my thing. So I'll pause the video and I'll put the database on and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've gone into the USA database. Now, because this is called Pest Control Pinellas County, all I'm going to do with this one is I'm only going to install anything that's in Pinellas County. So I'm just going to hit the filters. I'm just going to do Pinellas County and then apply it. Let's see what that gives us. Okay, so we've got 82 locations. So let's install that. That shouldn't take too long. 2 seconds while I go back to the magic page. Okay, so back on the magic page. So go to edit it. So this site's going to be based around Kenneth City because I found that to be one which I didn't have a site on, and it's about the middle, and it's in like the list of high Kenneth City. What was it, about 84? Might as well have them all. No, must be an 82. Should I just do 82 or should I auto install them? Yeah, I'm going to auto install them so it just looks a bit more natural. Probably don't need to, but oh well, so I need to update that first. And if I do that, and then if I update, choose option 1. Still decide on whether to do it or not. Yeah, go on. So if I put 20 in, yeah, that will leave us with 60 to do. Install 2 a day. So install 20. I probably could have done all 80 together, but I'd rather err on the side of caution. I'm not in a rush. To close that, so I've got 82 locations. I've got like sort of 62 locations to go over 30 days, so you'll do it, update. now if I have a look at the site, that's the site done. That's what it now looks like. And that has took me not very long to actually do it. And obviously, while I've been doing it, I've been talking to you guys and looking for stuff, knowing that I have stuff handy. Okay, so that's how quick it is to build a site once you've got an error there. Why is that errored? Have to make a note of that. Rather strange. No, because there's the one underneath that. That's why, because that's got -35. How would that get there? Update that. Let's refresh this. There we go. It's normal. So we've got that. We've got the site, and like I say, it didn't take us that long. Now I need to make a note that that's wrong, so that the next time I'll do it, I'll put it on. But just remember when you're doing your backup, not to have your site minified or your plugin minified. And I find it best not to have the database installed. It just makes life so much easier because you don't get this like sort of error with everything, the URL structure and things like that. Okay, hope that video helps, guys. Catch you on the next one. Bye.